Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. We're back with another flea market find. We are with the Venture Force X T-Rex. I gave $1 bill at the flea market with this. I found it. I have one almost like it, and I thought this would be pretty cool for a video soon to have. You can find these, I believe, at the Dollar General and the Family Dollar Tree. Check it out, guys. Here's the mighty T-Rex, like the old style where they all set up. You can move them. Ain't that cool? He makes it sound like he's eating. That's awesome. Look, guys, I'm going to try to raise up a little bit, do it one more time so you can see his eyes. Look at this. His eyes light up and he growls after he gets done eating. That's pretty cool. Now, check his feet out, guys. It has pretty clear here that's like flat. I think, and there's the batteries where the batteries go to. His feet don't move unless you feed him, because it moves his. Yeah, there. And his hands, his arms, moves up and down. Goes back in the details. Check the dark green back by his spines here. Yeah. I wonder if he could pick up something. Let's see here. Let's bring Mr. Brontosaurus back. Actually, no. Let's bring. See if I can find something here to have him eat. Let's see here. Let's bring the Brontosaurus back. More fitting for him. So the Brontosaurus is over here. Lays around. T-Rex. Come over here. Wow, that was loud. Oh, wow. Check it out, guys. Ain't that pretty cool? This tool is worth $1, definitely for sure. I love this toy. He'll eat. If I grab a hold of him, let's move it down there. So his mill's down there. He killed the Brontosaurus. Come on. So he killed the Brontosaurus. So we got. Yeah, you're supposed to eat him, not bring him back to life. Another hugging. All right, guys, let's take the Brontosaurus out. That's the Venture X Force T-Rex from the Dollar General, Dollar Tree, and I got this from the flea market for $1. It's a great little buy, guys. I'll see you guys in the next flea market find. Please like, subscribe to my channel for more updates and more flea market finds. Bye-bye.